Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your trusted channel for the latest car reviews, deep dives into vehicle specs, and expert analysis of the auto industry's newest releases. Whether you're a casual car enthusiast or a hardcore gearhead, we're here to keep you informed and entertained. Today, we're reviewing the 2026 GMC Terrain, a compact SUV that brings a refreshed design, new technology, and improved performance to the highly competitive crossover segment. The GMC Terrain has always been a solid option for those who want a stylish, capable, and family-friendly SUV, and the 2026 model enhances that reputation with a number of meaningful upgrades. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Terrain has undergone a significant facelift that gives it a bolder and more aggressive look. The front grille is now larger and features a new mesh pattern that adds visual depth. Slimmer LED headlights and a more sculpted hood provide a modern edge, while the revised bumper and daytime running lights make the SUV stand out even more. At the rear, updated taillights with C-shaped LED signatures and a redesigned tailgate keep things fresh, and new wheel designs across various trims offer a personalized touch. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Terrain retains its 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine as the standard powertrain. This engine produces around 175 horsepower and 203 pound-feet of torque, which is adequate for most daily driving scenarios, from city commutes to weekend getaways. The engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifts and decent responsiveness. Front-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive is available for those who need extra traction in adverse weather or light off-road conditions. While not a performance SUV, the Terrain does offer a composed and comfortable ride. It handles well for its class, with light but accurate steering and minimal body roll during cornering. The suspension has been tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections nicely and providing a smooth ride over most surfaces. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Terrain impresses with improved materials, a cleaner dashboard layout, and enhanced technology. Soft touch surfaces are more widespread than before, and depending on the trim, you'll find leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and wood or metallic accents that give the interior a more premium feel. The seats are supportive and offer ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats can easily accommodate adults on long drives, and the rear cargo area provides generous space for luggage, groceries, or gear. Fold the back seats down and the Terrain becomes a versatile hauler for larger items. Technology is where GMC has made significant strides in the 2026 Terrain. A new infotainment system is now standard across the lineup, featuring a larger 11-inch touchscreen with crisper graphics and faster response times. The system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your smartphone and access music, navigation, or apps without needing a cable. Higher trims also offer built-in Google integration, voice commands, and a customizable digital driver display. USB-C ports, wireless phone charging, and an available Wi-Fi hotspot ensure everyone stays connected on the go. In terms of safety and driver assistance, GMC has stepped up its game. The 2026 Terrain comes standard with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and a rear-view camera. More advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a surround view camera system are available on higher trims. New for 2026 is GMC's enhanced semi-autonomous driving assist system, available on the Denali trim. This system allows for hands-free driving on certain pre-mapped highways, reducing fatigue on long trips while still requiring driver attention. Another area where the Terrain shines is comfort and quietness. GMC has added additional sound insulation in the cabin, and it pays off with a noticeably quieter ride. Road and wind noise are kept to a minimum, making it easier to have conversations or enjoy music while driving. The dual-zone automatic climate control system is responsive and easy to use, keeping the interior at a comfortable temperature regardless of the weather outside. Heated and ventilated seats are available on higher trims, as well as a heated steering wheel for colder climates. Trim levels for the 2026 Terrain include the base SLE, mid-tier SLT, off-road focused AT4, and the luxurious Denali. Each trim offers unique styling elements and feature sets. The at4, for example, comes with skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a special off-road mode that tweaks the traction control and throttle response for light trail use. The Denali trim sits at the top of the lineup and offers premium materials, a heads-up display, a premium Bose audio system, and exclusive styling details that make it stand out. Fuel efficiency remains competitive in the segment. The standard 1.5-liter engine offers an EPA-estimated fuel economy in the range of 26 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway for front-wheel drive models. Opting for all-wheel drive drops those numbers slightly, but not drastically. GMC has hinted at a possible hybrid version in the future, but for now, the gas-only powertrain continues to serve most customers well with its balance of efficiency and power. Overall, the 2026 GMC Terrain is a well-rounded compact SUV that offers something for everyone. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a stylish and efficient daily driver or a small family needing practicality and space, the Terrain delivers. Its updated design, refined interior, improved tech features, and robust safety systems make it a serious contender in its class. While it might not be the most powerful or luxurious SUV on the market, it's a smart choice for buyers who value comfort, reliability, and modern conveniences in a stylish package. Thanks for watching Motors Sports Mania. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest cars, SUVs, and all things automotive, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you